What's going on? What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Trade is got all dirty here, man. Just gonna update y'all with what's going on currently on gold. Uh, Earlier this morning we had trades running. You know what I'm saying? So currently gold is still playing around, but yeah, we caught it. Market structure is always the key, guys, when you're trading. You know what I'm saying? So you must understand what's going on with market structure. We can see that the market here was giving us series of lower lows and lower highs to those out. Then the market broke outside with the high and gave us a high low here. You see, hence we entered here. We entered here, we entered here, we entered a lot actually here. Because the market was this is an A plus setup for me, you know what I'm saying? This is a setup that I was looking for sure, you know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping to perpetuate this momentum all the way to us upside then. We'll see from then. So currently we have also what you call US30. So I'll update y'all from all of that. See, I also entered again, guys. The market came again just to collect liquidity again, or just to test again. I entered again here. I got a clean one. You see, I entered here again, and area on I entered here. See, so currently still playing around, but it's okay. I'm not mad. So we can see we really, really, really went deep. We went crazy on it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, still playing around also, but it's okay. We're still at break even. We're still at yeah at entry.
What's good? What's good? Everyone, what's good? Chat. That's what did it here yet again. With another market update on Shell USD, man. As you can see, we are deep in profits. As I told you guys earlier, before actually it was yesterday around 5, or I said that the market kind of like has to come here. You know what I'm saying? And then to give us a buy. This is was what I expected, but instead the market didn't give me exactly that. You know what I'm saying? It gave me high and a high low here, right over here, which I didn't take a buy on. Reason being that I've been holding on this one, you see, and the market exactly on the origin session, it came again, giving us a, you know what I'm saying, a buy entry here. So I told you about how gold moves around Asian sessions. It gives you, you know what I'm saying, an entry, which happened. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we're still holding buys. Yeah, still holding buys. We're not getting out. So this is just a update. You know what I'm saying? And also update you on US30. I took profits. Yeah, I took profits here. Then I trade my stop loss above entry here on that last entry we had yesterday. We entered somewhere here. Yeah. Then I trade my stop loss just here. Yeah, somewhere here. Just trade my stop loss above entry. That if the market decides to take me out, it's gonna take me out in profit, you know what I'm saying? So just stop loss at entry so that I can protect my profits, you know what I'm saying? And then I see that the market is giving me a trend here, so it's highly expected that the market can just buy over here. But I wouldn't take the buy here for a few reasons. Why? Because we're still up below this trend, and that doesn't mean that the market cannot buy. The market is definitely buying, but for me, like I'm not that confident with this buy unless if we dive in deeper to just get to understand what's going on here. Yeah, if I can just fix this, we can see that the market is giving us market structure breakdown here. And if I would do that, I would say that this is how I'll analyze it. You know what I mean? So you can see that okay, cool. Market structure, right? So you can see that the market here gave us a low high here, right? Change color. Yes, sir. So the market gave us a lower high here. I'd gain a lower high here, right? Scissors lower highs and lower highs. So it's downside. Look at that. Lower highs. You know what I'm saying? And then lower lows down here. Low low. Another lower low here. all right, and the last lower low here, all right. So as I told you yesterday that this is a bullish leg, right? Then instead of the market perpetuating this momentum after it broke below here, you can now say lower high just below this level to continue with this trade. Instead the market broke above, right? Yes, indeed it was a lower high, you know what I mean? Like it was a lower high, you see, but instead it gave us a higher low. Instead of giving us a lower low, it gave us a higher low, right? You can see here and a pattern formation. This is an inverted intruders. If I can break it down to you, you can see that this is the left shoulder, right? This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So yeah, then we get short the upside. Simple as that. So currently, you can see that the market has been um constantly giving us series of high highs and high lows to us the upside. So we can see this is a high high. See, there's a high high, a high high, a high high. All right, and high lows here. There's a possible high low which already looks ready, kind of ready. But yeah, it is ready. The market definitely just gonna buy. You know what I'm saying? Because we're outside this trend, and but we're still below this resistance, right? So just to catch a beautiful entry, it'll be above this level, guys. That doesn't mean like you know what I'm saying. That doesn't mean that this buy would not be validated, right? It's still a confirmed buy. Reason being that market structure is explained. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, with that being said, I'd rather like wait for a break up and returns because already I'm inside the trade. You see, I'm inside the trade, so for me to trade in here, it's not that convenient for me, especially on this pair, because this pair it tends to move slow. You know what I'm saying? But besides that, no, I don't want to enter a buy here. Yeah, I don't see myself entering a buy here, just because we are just below this level here. So the market still can do whatever it wants to do. You know what I'm saying? So I'd rather enter a buy above this level here, just to enter an A class attack. I'm looking for an A class attack. You know what I'm saying? So as for NAS100, beautiful. Wow. Head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, as you can see. So the market is resisting just above this previous level that the market tends to buy at. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, obviously this is a confirmed buy entry also. You can still expect the market to just like continue to the upside. So let me just do a complete breakdown on NAS100. So yeah, let's just go on daily time frame as you know the drill. Switch on to line charts. Um, identify our highs and lows. All right. This is our all-time high. This is our low, and this is our inside level. Right, being a high. So yeah, with that being said, we go on the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, like the market is really simple. Like, like it's just such like they're so cliche. Like they're so like theoretical yet practical at the same time. So if you are getting losses here, I don't know what's going on with you, but this is so clear and straightforward. Like even on that buy there, I would enter. I would like enter buy, but I'm not like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not that convinced to enter that buy. I'd rather like wait for it to come to me. You know what I'm saying? You see, if like the market comes, break above that level, reaches above that level, then I'm going all in. Like I'm going, meaning that I'm ready to take a loss. Cause like on this one, like this is not a planned trade. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Yes, you plan a trade by analyzing it, right? But that one, for me, it's not given. Though it is given, but for me, it's not that. convenient for me. You know what I'm saying? It has to convince me first. It's like I'm negotiating with the market. Yes, sir. I'm kind of getting it, man. So we can see that previously, yes, we broke outside this trend, but overall we have a bullish trend, right? If you can look at probably here, we have a bullish trend overall, but obviously we stick to the current price. So current price help us understand what's going on currently. You know what I'm saying? Though we use overall levels for context, like to understand the overall direction of the market and the current price, we use them to trade currently because we are looking for entries on the current price, like lower time frame, etc. So with that being said, you can see a high here, right? There's a resistance. So the market is just building momentum towards the upside to actually like, you know what I'm saying, to break off this level here or to give us buys. We can see that also if you can look at briefly here, we have a trends and trends that the market tends to have might have broken outside. So this one, yeah, I would have entered this one. You see, this one is more convenient because first of all we have an inverted short, and second of all we have a breakout structure. You know what I'm saying? Though we are below a trend like that, you see what I told you about positive correlation pairs. This level, this market, this pairs, they positively correlate with each other, guys. Look at that. It's so clean, bro. Like, I would trade the market for life, bro. Look at this, man. So I'm telling you guys, price trading, bro, is simple, bro. It's simple. It's just your interpretation that makes it hard for you. So what do you expect if you're always declaring that the market is hard for you? So what do you expect? It's gonna kick you, obviously. It's gonna kick you. It's not gonna play with you, man. So yeah, we understand that we're outside this trend, so we're gonna like obviously take it out. So yeah, I would enter engulf. This one I would enter. This one, matter of fact, let me enter. Let me just see what's going on and enter. I hate entering late entries, yo. But this one is a clean one. It's clean, no cap. This one is clean, bro. Like no cap. Yeah, you see this one. I'm down like for whatever consequences. You know what I'm saying? Like, should the market take me out, then okay. You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying. Then it's alright, but it's never try. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this one also here. Obviously, this one will be the more matured entry error. You see, should the market then break above that level, then nah, it's clean. It's gonna be clean, just bro. Yeah. So and then also you're looking to probably like break this high, cause yeah, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, let me see what's going on actually. Let me just switch on my SMC indications. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, let me wait for it is a double rejection, no answer. Yeah, I'm still looking for a level to enter. Still looking, guys. Let me see. So should it the market give me another research there, like something a retracement? Yeah, I'll answer came here. Yeah, or the answer came here. So the market give me something like that, you know. And then yeah, my stop loss just below. Yeah. And then also should the market then choose to like go with this rejection here, it will be then the market breaking down and resisting above this level, then I'll answer definitely a sell because we are below support. You know what I'm saying? Coming from the strong resistance, you see so much confluence. You see, these are investment interest. Yeah, this is the confluence why I would enter into here. And then it's still 7, so I pretty much understand that it's still 80 for NAS100 to like play around, to play like to give us an impulse move. So we are waiting for at least an opening of London session, probably the market, and it will be, yeah, we'll have momentum to push. So you must understand what you're trading, guys. I told you about that. So if now you don't understand the paid trading, so you see, but doesn't matter. You not understanding doesn't mean, you know what I'm saying, you won't understand. You build on your craft. You always trade it. To understand it, you must trade it. You know what I'm saying? And don't trade 70 pairs. Don't trade 18 pairs. Trade at least, you see, I made a breakdown. So you better watch my video. I believe it's the third video on this channel. Yeah. Or sec, yeah, third, yeah. No, it's the first video, I believe. Between the first and the third, so you must check. I gave a breakdown about why am I trading these pairs and which pairs am I trading and why those pairs. You know what I'm saying? So this is a clean one, bro. Like this is a clean one, bro. Like you can see that the market instead of giving us a low low, it gives us a high low here. There's a high low here. This is just the first confluence, right? There's a high low here. So perpetuation will be above this level. So we don't have a high yet. Just have a high low fit only. No, we have a high because why? This was a downtrend, and then the market should have given us a low high below this level to it continues off the downside. And then that doesn't mean the market wouldn't respect this area here. But market structure, guys. I'm always telling you, market structure, guys. It's key. Even though we are still below this level, we understand why this was happening. This is a correction, guys. This is not a trend like that, that. It's a correction, and then this is an impulse. You see, the market carried momentum now it's pushing towards the upside. Simple as that. So yeah, with that being said, we're waiting for at least something like this, which happened is that you see the market compare that 4:30, and then by around 1 o'clock, and then it moved. So we're expecting at least like anytime from now on. Probably before, or I'm saying probably by the opening of London session or Chilean London session, yeah, we can expect an entry here to continue to the upside. So yeah, with that being said, there's a high, definitely the high. So break below here, we just yeah, nah, but I'm killing you. You see, previously it was a lower low here. So yeah, otherwise, yeah, this is what I'll be looking for. It's 30. It's pretty much the same, you know. Like this is pretty much the same, right? Maybe I'm contradicting myself. This is pretty much the same. But for me, nah, look at this levels here. You see, like, there's too much gap here. You know, like, get that. So much gap, but it is what it is, man. Yeah, pretty much the same, but I I prefer entering just above this levels, yeah. Though I would enter, you see what I'm doing currently now is that comparing um trading setups. Like this is a more of a medium probability trading setup, you know what I'm saying? And this is pretty much the same scenario, but more of a high probability trading setup. You know what I'm saying? It's more clearer and so much like it's more clearer and it resonates with me a lot. Most more than this is, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty much like that. So this is what you wanna do. You see, you don't just enter trades. So if I didn't have anything else, I only had this setup, I wouldn't enter still because for me this is just a low probability setup. I would enter above this level only, bro. I want to enter here. This is USD 80. Unlike NAS100 I would enter better above that level. But as for me, this one now I would enter, bro. Yes, we have a high here, and the market has given us a high, just a appreciation of this momentum sort upside, and we understand that we are above. We have broken outside this very trend. For me, I'm not saying yo. For me now, I would enter, bro. But though it's clean, you know, I feel I won't lie. The pair is clean, like the step is clean, but it's like 50% clean. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I'm entering NAS100, and I'm entering then USD. You know what I'm saying? So let us see what gold is doing currently. So gold, I said we're expecting just a perpetuation to upside. So expecting at least market to come here, which just above this level, and then probably we're gonna continue to upside. Reason being that this level is a buy, it's a support, and the market was struggling to break above it yesterday. You see, then the market finally broke outside. You know what I'm saying? So we are reaching just for a retest above it, and we are continuing to the outside, and probably here also. This is how the market is looking currently. Yes, sir. As I told you guys that we are waiting for at least a retest above this level, then we are continuing to the outside. So I entered here. So currently the market is in blues. My stop loss just below this level here, just to give it a room to breathe. You know what I'm saying? So otherwise, yeah, it is what it is.